Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the set hour method. So what it does is it set the hour of a specified date in the in the date object. So what we need to do is create an event like here, um, and what we need to do is after creating the event you will use the set hours method. Event.setHours method, the prototype for the date constructor. So set hours and pass something like 20. And now what we're gonna do is, and there is another method which goes hand in hand with set hours, is get hours. Instead of doing that, just I'm showing the login on a console what event is. So wow, oh yeah. So when we do that, I'm gonna say Wednesday at the GMT. So this is what it does. So, and now if we use the get hours, it's gonna give you the hour of that time. So this is what it does. Hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.